Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export a report in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting a report in Salesforce allows you to save the report data in various formats for offline analysis and a lot of purposes. Because you remember, it is useful for deeper analysis, creating charts, graphs, and performing calculations that may not be feasible directly within Salesforce. You have to realize Salesforce has its own limitations, and exported reports can be shared with, stakeholders, collaborators, with their clients, with freelancers, accountants, and other professionals who might not have direct access to your Salesforce admin account. Or there are those who prefer data in familiar formats like Excel or CSV. This facilitates better communication and decision making based on the current data. Now, once you are here on your dashboard, I need you to hover to the reports section. We have a separate video on how to add a new report here on the Andy's Guides YouTube channel that you might want to check out if you're interested. And while doing so, you might want to subscribe to get latest updates of our daily content. We upload 24/7. All right. Now, moving along. Once you've chosen the report that you wanted to export, maybe this one, activities by salesperson. There's going to be an option here that says export. All right. Now, I want you to click on it if you have made the final editing or the final rendering. Click on export. Now, you have an option here for export view or formatted report only. You can export the report, including the report header, groupings, and filter settings. Now, you have only an option here. But the thing is, since it's only an export view, you can't, choose any format here apart from Excel format. All right. Now, you can do that and click on export. Once you've done that, the download has started. And if you wanted to check it, go to the directory you have saved it. Or again, try to export another one. But this time we're going to be choosing the details. In details only, you can export only the details row. Use this to further calculations or for uploading to other systems. All right. So you have multiple options here for those who are more advanced in Salesforce technical analysis. You can choose from these options: Unicode, Japanese Windows, Chinese simplified, Korean, Unicode, Big 5, and Japanese Shift. We're not going to deal with that because we're not an expert with reports. But the thing is, once you have done that, click on reports because it can be integrated into other systems or applications for further analysis, data consolidation, or automated workflows. This supports seamless data flow across different platforms within the organization. Now, if you encounter any problems exporting a report in Salesforce, just hover here at the Contact Salesforce Customer Support. You have the live chat and the contact support. And from here, you can also, if you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems exporting a report in Salesforce. You are required to log in to either of your account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.